Score! Attention! Standard! Attention!
Good morning everyone. Join your hands also as put on your head. Let's pray together. Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is when you know better, you do better. Good morning everyone. Respected principal, headmistress, teacher, brother and sister and my dear friend. Today we the students of class 7 are going to conduct the morning assembly on the topic global warming. Global warming is the long-term unprecedented rise in average surface temperature. Next, one of my friends in Gentry will continue on this topic. The temperature of Earth is increasing. Toxic gas has polluted the environment. Next, one of my friends Maichou will continue on this topic.
The rapid increase in carbon dioxide is the main cause of global warming. There are many negative effects of global warming on environment. According to scientists, chlorofluorocarbon is destroying green seeds. Next, one of my friends Vijala will continue on this topic.
There are steps to reduce global warming. We should reduce the use of harmful gases. We should plant more and more trees to make the environment beautiful and clean. Thank you.
Today, the class 7 students, under the guidance of respected Madam Sunibala, has conducted the assembly so well. Let us give them a big hand. Now, all of you know that the topic of the day is global warming. Have you ever heard about something called greenhouse effect? The amount of carbon dioxide increases, amount of heat that is trapped under the atmosphere of the earth will be increasing. When that is increased, the icebergs at the northern pole and the southern pole will be melting. So this particular effect, in short, is known as greenhouse effect. You must take care of your environment so that we conserve our environment for a longer time. Gas or substance that is called chlorofluorocarbon, that is very harmful to the ozone layer as well. So like that, you should know about all these things and try to use at the minimum amount. The better knowledge, what is that thought of the day?